Segment 2, Nikud Arba, Nikud Dalet. Bame holech Avram el Eretz Canaan. Bame holech Avram el Eretz Canaan. Bame holech Avram el Eretz Canaan. Since you are studying a foreign language, it may well be that you enjoy traveling or learning about others who have traveled in other lands. If that's the case, then a typical sort of conversation you might engage in involves how one undertakes a trip or what things they might take with them or pass by as they travel along. This segment will enable you to engage that sort of conversation. Please begin by reading the initial note, which comments on the word bameh. For the purposes of this particular segment, please imagine the trip that's described in Genesis 12 of Abram and his wife Sarai making their way from Mesopotamia westward to Canaan. Within that context, then, consider the question that you find in the title of the segment, Bameh holech Avram el Eretz Canaan. And then refer to the model for a sample response. Im Sarai holech Avram el Eretz Canaan. Im Sarai holech Avram el Eretz Canaan. Now it's your turn. Using objects or names you've learned thus far, together with prepositions, construct your own response, one or two of them that indicate how or with whom or with what Abram is making his journey from Mesopotamia to Canaan. You should also be prepared to respond to this second question found as a model. Bameh holechet Sarai el Mitzrayim. Bameh holechet Sarai el Mitzrayim. Reading further on in the story of Abram and Sarai, we find that they did take a journey to Egypt. Formulate your own response to this question as well. Please turn your attention to the last paragraph of this segment, which begins with the heading, the preposition et. Already you're familiar with the particle et, serving as an indication of a definite direct object. Now you will learn that there is another word, also et, in many cases spelled indistinguishably from the definite direct object marker. This is a standard preposition, however, a preposition meaning with. Please read over this paragraph so you begin to have a sense of how to work with this new vocabulary piece.